Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. How to find your channel URL on YouTube. Open your favorite browser. Go to youtube.com. Click on the sign in button at the top right corner of the page. Select the Google account you want to use. If you are signing in for the first time, you may be asked to enter your email address. Enter your password and click Next. You are signed in to your YouTube account. Now, click on your profile picture at the top right corner of the page. Select YouTube Studio from the drop-down menu. You will be redirected to your channel dashboard page. Now, in the left sidebar, click on Customization option. Scroll down to Channel URL section. You can see your channel URL here. Now, click the copy icon next to the URL and paste it in a new tab. You will be navigated to your channel page. You can also use your YouTube handle to access this page. This is how you can find your channel URL on YouTube. Thank you for watching.